Hey guys, today I will show you how to make well done steak in Monster Hunter World. First, you need raw meat. You get this by carving small monsters like Aptonoth or Apsaros. Next, open your item bar and use the portable BBQ spit. Your hunter will start cooking, and music will play while the meat spins. Watch the meat closely. When it turns golden brown, press the button right as the music ends. If you time it correctly, you get a well done steak. Press too early and you get rare steak. Too late and it burns. Well done steaks fully restore stamina and increase your max stamina, making them very useful early game and during long hunts. Useful tip: listen to the cooking song instead of watching the meat. Press the button at the end of the tune for the most consistent well done steaks. And that's how to make well done steak in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.